Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to use Visio Studio. If you're looking to create stunning visuals easily, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Visio Studio. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a clean and inviting interface. If you're new, you might want to sign up for an account. It's super quick and easy, just follow the prompts, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with various options. The first thing I recommend doing is exploring the templates. Click on the templates section, where you'll find a variety of designs tailored for different needs like presentations, infographics, and social media posts. Pick one that resonates with your project. Now, let's say you've chosen a template. Click on it to open the editing interface. Here, you'll see a canvas where you can start customizing your design. The drag and drop functionality is a game changer. You can easily add images, text boxes, and shapes by dragging them from the sidebar onto your canvas. It feels like playing with digital building blocks. As you customize, don't forget to play around with the colors and fonts. Visio Studio offers a range of options that can help you match your design to your brand or personal style. If you ever feel stuck, check out the tutorials available right within the platform. They offer helpful tips and tricks to enhance your design skills. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to save and share. Click the export button at the top right corner. You can choose from various formats, making it easy to share your work on social media or present it in meetings. If you're collaborating with others, you can invite team members to edit your project in real time. Just click on the share button and enter their email addresses. This feature makes teamwork seamless and efficient, eliminating the back and forth of email threads. And there you have it, a quick guide to using Visio Studio. It's a powerful tool that simplifies the design process and helps you create stunning visuals effortlessly. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to the hero of our today's video.